love of knowledge, not just to be thoroughly educated, but to love what they have learned, and then to practice it, to share it. It's not meant to be bottled up inside. In a way, a classical education gives you a sense of armor, right? It's the difference between, sending somebody out into a battle with paper mache armor or chainmail. And the classical education is the chainmail. It's really preparing you for something. And that something is the world. And the world is, very different from when we're children, right? We're going out into a potentially very hostile environment. And a classical education gives you the armor and the tools that you need to go out there and to experience the world, but not forget who you are. And with the classical education, you also form a personality. So you know who you are, and you know who you're living for.